What up? What up? What's up? Yo, I got some awesome news. I got a broom in my hand, and it's not because I'm a witch. Alright, we back. You already know what time it is. It's me, your boy Richie Rich, man. I'm just excited to tell y'all some good news this week. I know my family gonna be super excited about what message that I got for you guys. And you know what it means when you got a broom out, right? You know what this is, right? That means your boy is off the market. I'm about to jump the broom. You know what I'm saying? I found, man, I'm not even gonna describe Shorty to you. But before I even get into all that, let me talk about this appliance real quick. So we got the Samsung refrigerator, boy. It's pretty, I like it. I really, really like it. Functions, features that you might have, of course, you got your standard ice maker, water dispenser. Then now you got the screen that you can interact with. You got apps that you can download on the screen. You can order food online, Grubhub, Home Advisor. You can get reviews and all that stuff on there. You can order a water filter if you need be. You could go to Spotify or Pandora, listen to some tunes on the joint. You know what I'm saying? So the music gonna be jumping while you there in the refrigerator. And another great they have so many different options on here. I can't really tell you guys all the functions and the features in this video. Of course, you know it's an intro video, and we want to dissect this appliance, talk about the parts and how much it costs if it does break down. We also want to talk about the warranty that it provides as well. We want to talk about the pricing, how much it costs, are you able to get it at a reasonable price? And of course, you know your boy gonna give you his overall review of what we think of the appliance, everything that we collect, all the data, and then we just gonna give you our honest opinion on that. All right. So again, this refrigerator is awesome. I don't really like holding you guys up, but like I said, this is a special video. So I'm just letting y'all know, man, Shorty fine, and I think your boy is in love. Oh, it's me, your boy Richie Rich, and I'm gonna show y'all to you at the end of the video. Peace.